Hi, I'm Nissim, and welcome to Montessori Essentials. I'm a mother of 3 young children. They're 2, 4, and 6. And before my eldest was even born, I had decided that this was the method that I wanted for my parenting style as well as their education. And that's because over years of traveling all over the world and working in different education backgrounds, I discovered Montessori, and what I saw in those classrooms was just so special and so amazing to see how children were treated with respect and dignity and given all of the opportunities to learn independence and confidence and become eager learners. I decided that this was what I wanted to learn, and before I sent my son to any other school, I went and I got trained, and I opened a school in Thailand that we ran for the first 4 years of his life. We decided that we really wanted to give them a chance of living somewhere else in the world, and we chose to move to Maui, and we chose this school in particular because we love how the campus is set up, we love the educators, we love what the school stands for, and I'm really excited to show you around. My course, Montessori Essentials, will lead parents through steps of learning about Montessori philosophy and child needs and being able to use Montessori concepts at home, whether or not your child goes to a Montessori school or another school. Come on into the classroom with me. Young children are fascinated with day-to-day activities and how they can take care of themselves, and what they really need is ways that they can practice to perfect skill. I would love to show you how to make some simple practical life activities for your home. It's one thing that Montessori did really well. She created materials that had their own correction built in because she really felt that children were able to teach themselves if they were given the proper environment and the proper materials. Again, I'm Nissim, and this is an intro to Montessori Essentials. If you like what I've been saying and you're interested to learn more, go ahead and click like, share this, subscribe, and if you'd like to make comments below, I'd be happy to hear what you have to say and answer any questions. Our online course is available now. If you follow in the information under this video, you can find our website and enroll in the course. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.